Our eyes can see all kinds of colors in this world because natural light is composed of different wavelengths, and the cone cells of human eye have the strongest perception of red, blue, and green. If the hundreds of bands in light can be used effectively, such as hyperspectral images, it will greatly improve our lives.
Our team is committed to the development of hyperspectral imaging, optomechatronic integration engineering, and medical sensor element, and has 13 years of experience. Hyperspectral imaging is a technology that can extend 401 band images from the visible light band, so we can have more image information. For example, there is an animal called peacock mantis shrimp that can identify colors of 16 bands. Just like the shrimp, with hyperspectral imaging, we can discover information others cannot see.
Therefore, hyperspectral imaging is applied to smart endoscopy display to detect esophageal cancer, which can solve the problem of unclear image boundaries of traditional endoscopes and can distinguish the esophageal abnormalities from normal tissues. With AI identification system, it can automatically detect lesions, accurately show pathological features, and achieve early diagnosis without biopsy or invasive testing. The touch panel allows direct input on the screen, is easy to use for medical personnel, and a helpful improvement for physicians. The scope of application of hyperspectral imaging is not limited to the detection of esophageal cancer.
For example, we can apply our technology to endoscopes, ophthalmoscopes, and dermatoscopes and have good clinical results. Even in the semiconductor industry, like optical film inspection, we can inspect 1 nanometer graphene optical film. We hope that with such technology, we can add value to Taiwan's industry and make it more competitive in the field of automated optical inspection.
The company's hyperspectral imaging is also applied to smart manufacturing. In the semiconductor industry, there is always a possibility that tiny defects occur and affect quality during the manufacturing process of thin films, flat panel displays, or printed circuit boards. However, with the powerful combination of hyperspectral imaging and AI identification system, even a small amount of data can provide a large amount of information. Therefore, it can detect a defect even as tiny as 1 nanometer and improve the production efficiency.
The reason why hyperspectral imaging is in the spotlight right now is that AI technology has come to maturity. Because of the ability to extend 401 images from a single image, hyperspectral imaging can potentially overcome the problem of lack of information from big data analysis. We have received good clinical results from applications in medical industry and now working on applications in semiconductor wafer inspection and panel inspection. The startup team of Zhongzheng University, with a complete patent portfolio, not only combines hyperspectral imaging with AI identification system, but also is committed to customized design and reduce the industry's need for manpower. The goal is to maintain the quality of inspection and lower the cost, create a better future with everyone.
We understand light reads spectral information, analyze every data, and can discover things that eyes cannot see. We are all-around hyperspectral imaging experts. Our mission is to upgrade industries, and our vision is to be a world-class intelligent image pioneer. It's our founders' belief and expectation that we improve people's lives with the combination of AI and interdisciplinary technologies.
Hyperspectral imaging improves the quality of all types of inspection. Therefore, we will have a better healthcare and manufacturing industries in the future.